Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. What's up, y'all? We doing pork chops today, y'all. We gonna marinate them, then fry them on up. So we're gonna start off with our marinade. Now we're using black bean sauce for this marinade. So first thing we wanna do, we wanna go ahead and rain on our pork chops. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Then we're gonna start putting our marinade on top. Now, we're gonna put this marinade on both sides of our pork chops. On both sides, y'all. Both sides. And then we're gonna get them into our vacuum bag. Now, I would use a regular Ziploc bag for this. But guess what, y'all? Didn't have none. So after we get them in our bag, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And we just wanna move that around, make sure it's getting all over every pork chop. And then we gonna go and seal our bag up, y'all. Now we're gonna get this, pop it in the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours. 2 hours would be better, y'all. 2 hours would be better, but at least an hour. Now 2 hours have passed, and we're gonna get them into this skillet, y'all. Fry them up. Oh yeah. Now that black bean sauce is gonna bring a unique flavor to these pork chops. This is a must try, y'all. Gotta give it at least one try. I'm telling you something different. So let's give these a flippy flip now that they're ready. Oh yeah, they looking good. Oh, that's the side there cooking kind of fast, y'all. So let's go ahead and switch them up. Look at that good color on them. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. I love to see that good color, y'all. Now once we reach the internal temperature of 145, we're gonna go ahead and get them out this pan. Get them on the cooling rack. And hey, guess what, y'all? Time to plate up. So we got our pork chop. Now I have made me some sauteed apples with this. And some fried eggplant. This was so tasty, y'all. This was so tasty. Take a look at it, y'all. This was a great meal. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.